Okay guys, here's my upgraded anchor chain box for my Wharram. What happened was pulling the chain, well, when I was weighing anchor earlier on a few months ago, I pulled up too much mud and ended up leaving the mud inside the box itself, which then didn't have enough room for the chain because of the build-up of mud at the bottom. So I've taken the bottom out and replaced it with a load of mesh. All this mesh network, it is steel. Hoping that then any mud should just go straight back out again. The box itself, it hangs off the pin, stainless steel pin going through, and the chain comes out. There's a PTFE pad there, so you can drop I can drop the anchor while the chain box is actually hinged up underneath the foredeck, and then I just have to drop the box down to vertical. I've got on my foredeck over there, I've got a secondary winch which is off of the front mudguard of a Land Rover, so that pulls the box up at the back here on this strop here, and it sits nice and tightly and nice snugly underneath the foredeck, and it all works a dream. It's a charm. It's a wonderful thing. I do have a Pacific windlass which is on the deck, so it's a through foredeck arrangement, but it works a bloody dream actually. I love this somewhere. So when it all clogged up, I was gutted. It did take a bit of working out again how to redo it, but that's the answer, putting that on there. I don't have the plans. I built it all up and made it up as I went along. It works. I've got 45 meters of chain, and that all sits in there just nicely, as I say, and it launches launches my anchor quite happily. Right, that will do me for now. I'll come back with other bits later on. Bye for now.